Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to our academic seminar session.
You can do it!
My name is Amalia Camila with the last three-digit number 148, and I will be serving as the moderator for today's discussion. Allow me to first introduce our team members. Today's seminar consists of Siti Nur Alianingsi, responsible for presenting the second section, and Maulidatul Aulia, responsible to presenting the first session. Our topic for this session is civic engagement as the foundation of social and political life. This topic is important because in today's rapidly changing political, technological, and social environment, citizens' participation plays a crucial role in strengthening democracy, promoting accountability, and ensuring a more inclusive society. Civic engagement, whether through voting, volunteering, community organizing, or digital activism, has become a key pillar for shaping both social and political life. Before we begin, let me explain the structure of our seminar. We will start with the presentation, followed by a Q&A session, then a summary of the key points, and finally we will close the seminar. With that, let us proceed to the presentation. Now, I will the presenters to start their presentation.
Hello everyone, good afternoon. Let me introduce myself. My name is Maulidatul Aulia from 1F. So my last name digit is 134, and this is my partner.
My name is Siti Nur Alianingsi with digit number 154.
So today we will discuss about civic engagement as the foundation of social and political life. From
Group 5.
group A. Next, the introduction. In the modern era, marked by rapid social, political, and technological change, civic engagement has become an essential factor in sustaining democracy. Active citizen participation through political, social, and community activities have created a society that is transparent, accountable, and collaborative. Without citizen involvement, government becomes less monitor. Social conflict may increase, and injustice become harder to prevent. This fact is important. The level of civic engagement remains low due to limited political literacy, declining public trust in institutions, and the widespread presence of disinformation. Additionally, technological access and social polarization also hinder public participation. This condition highlights the need for deeper understanding of civic engagement as the foundation of an inclusive and democratic social and political life. Key concept and definition. There are several first, citizenship, which refers to the right and responsibility individual of within the political community. Active citizenship goes beyond simply having legal right. It regulates individuals to take part in public affairs. The second, participation, which includes activities such as voting, joining community organizations, volunteering, engaging in public debate, and even digital activities. The third, social capital, concept introduced by Robert Putnam, which had highlighted the importance of trust, cooperation, and social network in supporting collective action. This concept was together to create an environment where citizens feel empowered to contribute to public life. One, global context, trend in civic engagement. Civic engagement is increasingly shaped by digital technology, which enables citizens to participate in political discourse, politics, and advocacy across borders. Global movements such as climate justice campaign, women's rights activists, and pro-democratic protest demonstrate raising public demand for transparency and accountability. However, many countries face declining interest in government, political polarization, and the state of misinformation, which weaken constructive civic participation.
Global civic activities, online platforms such as social media have become essential tools for mobilizing citizens, but they also expose societies to digital surveillance and cyber risks. International organizations encourage civic participation through program promotion, youth leadership, human rights education, and community-based initiatives. And three current conditions in Indonesia. Indonesia is experiencing growing interest in civic engagement, driven by the participation, digital activism, and the expression of civil society organizations. Nation with movements such as reformation, democracy, environmental activism, and gender equality campaigns. So, strong public willingness to hold the government accountable, digital purpose, and enable rapid mobilization, but they also create challenges such as hacks, online polarization, and political misinformation. Civil society organizations contribute
communication, engage in political or social initiatives. Spread of misinformation and polarization. The rise of social media has amplified hoax, hate speech, and political polarization, making it harder for citizens to be informed.
Okay, next, opportunities of civic engagement. For one, strengthening democracy accountability. Active citizen participation can cause government to be more transparent, responsive, and accountability in policy making and public service. Two, empowering communities civic and engagement, encouraging collaboration, volunteerism, and local problem solving, strengthening community resilience. For the last, and encouraging social cohesion and through the dialogue, community activities, and shared public goals. Civic engagement helps reduce social tension and build strong interpersonal trust. Four, different digital platform. Technology opens new avenues for e-participation, social online petition, public forums, digital feedback system, and virtual community organization. Five, youth participation and innovation. Young people bring fresh ideas, creativity, and technological skills, making civic movements more dynamic and effective. Six, building and improvement the equality society engagement initiative focus on marginalized groups, help improve representation, social justice, and equality in political and social progress. Paragraph 1, anti-corruption movement and civil engagement. In several countries, attempts to weaken independent anti-corruption agencies have progressed waves of civic protest when parliaments resolve that revision the investigative power of an anti-corruption commission. Society organizations, student groups, journalists, and ordinary citizens listen quickly. They organize demonstrations, public discussion, and online campaigns. Think hashtag and digital petition activities The test illustration has active citizens are crucial for political accountability without public pressure. Anti-corruption institutions can be dismantled quickly by political elites.
Comparative survey research shows a strong link between civic engagement and trust in institutions, suggesting that engagement forms a foundation for social and political life. Data from cross-national surveys such as the World Value Survey and the Social Survey indicate that individuals who participate in voluntary association community groups maintain significantly higher trust in government, health, and development than those who do not participate, often by 10 percentage points. This method implies that when citizens are actively involved in civic activities, they develop stronger confidence in public institutions and a greater sense of connection to their political system. In turn, this high level of institutional trust support social cohesion and help democratic institutions function more effectively. Conclusion: civic engagement is a vital foundation for democratic, social, and political life. Active citizen participation, whether through political involvement, community activities, volunteering, or a digital platform, action development capabilities, strengthen public trust, and promote social cohesion. Although the challenges as low political literacy, misinformation, digital literacy, and declining trust in institutions contribute to hinder participation. Significant opportunities remain. Youth involvement, technological innovation, and stronger collaboration between civil society and the government offer meaningful pathways to deepen public engagement. Overall, strengthening civic engagement is essential for building an inclusive, transparent, and responsive society.
Okay, thank you to our presenters for the insightful presentation. We will now enter the Q&A session, which will last approximately 15 minutes. Each questioner will deliver two questions, and after each question, the presenter will provide their academic response. Additionally, question 1, 2, and 3 may respond to or will upon each other questions. Let us begin with questioner 1.
Yap.
Hai Keisha. Untuk apa sih
name is Jan Meviansyah, the last digit number 163. Okay, I have two questions for you guys. Question 1. What is the current condition of civic engagement in Indonesia? Okay. Question 2 is which theory explains the link between civic engagement and social cohesion? Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you to presenter. Hey, my name is Hasan Rijal Kamal, plus the number 151. Okay, the question 1. What are the main challenges to improving civic engagement? Next question 2 is what opportunities exist to strengthen civic engagement? Thank you, presenter.
Okay, thank you for the question. Give me 5 minutes for discussion.
Okay.
Okay, thank you for the question, everyone. So, give me 5 minutes for the discussion.
Okay, presenter. go to the answer Keisha for question. Wait. Okay, about the one question, contributing the meaning of civic engagement. Not that is not all civic engagement is good. Sometimes too much public involvement creates chaos or more mentality. People may participate based on false information or personal interest, not for the common good. Okay, and the second question, this concept sound good but aren't realistic. Only privileged people with time and resource can truly participate. Social capital may actually increase inequality by excluding marginalized groups. Okay, thank you.
Okay. Thank you for the experience and the question. I will answer from Dian. Question is, what is the current condition of the civic engagement in Indonesia?
Yeah.
And we answer, Indonesia saw growing civic engagement driven by youth involvement, digital activism, and expanded civil society organization. National movements such as reformasi di demokrasi, di korupsi, environmental activism, and the gender equality campaigns reveal strong public willingness to holding the government accountable. However, challenges such as online polarization and political literacy persist.
The next question. I will. I will answer a question from Dian. The question is, which theory explains the link between engagement and social function? So the answer is the social capitalist theory by Robert Putnam explain that civic engagement will networks trust and long that strengthen cooperation in society. Community with active civic life tend to have higher political participation and more responsive government.
Does anyone want to report?
Thank you to Shannon. Yes, I want to refer the answer to this question. Contribution to Indonesian civic engagement condition brutal youth activism looks strong on social media, but it story, rebuttal, footnotes, theory, assumptions, engagement, allies, would crush, but that's not true. In Vidai, society's civic engagement can actually increase conflict and tribalism instead of confrontation. Okay, thank you.
Thank you for the advice, Adam. So, the next question from Adam.
Question. Question you.
Sorry. Maybe I have bad. So, I will answer the question from Adam.
Okay, thanks.
Sorry. So the question is which theory explain the link between civic engagement and social formations? So the answer is the social capital theory by Robert Putnam explained that civic engagement will develop trust and norms that strengthen cooperation in society. Community with active civic life and have higher political participation and more responsive government. The next question I will answer is the question is what are the main challenges to improving civic engagement? Answer is the main challenge include low political literacy, declining public trust in institutions, the spread of misinformation and polarization, the digital divide, poverty, and socio-economic inequality. The next question is what opportunity exists to strengthen civic engagement? The answer is opportunity increase youth participation, the use of digital platform, stronger collaboration between government and civil society, and engagement initiative focused on marginalized groups to promote inclusion and equality.
Okay, now to answer my question.
Yes.
We will answer question A. Does anyone want to refer on Indonesia? Thank you. I want to refer the answer to Adam. The problem is not just trust information. Many people understand politics, but choose not the elites because they belong to the system. Recognize the rational response to government
about the advice, Indonesia.
And thank you for your question and report. We will return them to moderator.
Okay. Thank you to the presenters and questioners for the productive discussion. Allow me to summarize the key points from today's presentation and discussion. First, the presenters explained the civic engagement is essential in modern society because it strengthens democracy, increase public accountability, and build social cohesion. Key concepts such as citizenship, participation, and social capital were highlighted as the foundation of civic life. The presentation also discussed current global and Indonesian context, showing that while digital platforms have expanded opportunities for activities, they also bring new risks such as misinformation, polarization, and universal access. The theoretical homework, social capital theory, deliberative democracy, and participatory governance illustrate how engagement contributes to trust, legitimacy, and shared responsibility between the government and society. The presenters also identified several challenges, including low political literacy, declining trust in institutions, digital divisions, and public apathy. However, they also emphasize significant opportunities such as youth participation, digital innovation, community empowerment, and inclusive governance initiatives. Finally, the case studies demonstrate real-world evidence of how civic engagement can strengthen democratic accountability, resist political decline, and increase trust in institutions. Overall, today's insight reinforces the idea that civic engagement is not only a right but also a collective responsibility that shapes the quality of social and political life. This concludes the summary of our seminar. Okay, as we come to the end of our seminar, I would like to thank our presenters for their explanation and our questioners for the thoughtful contributions. I also thank everyone who has participated in this academic session. To conclude, civic engagement remains a vital pillar of democratic governance, ensuring transparency, accountability, and social inclusion. Strengthening citizens' participation is essential, but building a more just and responsive society. Thank you, and this concludes our seminar.
Or